Zhongshan Fuyu Intelligent Lock Manufacturer Company Limited is a professional OEM and ODM supplier of mechanical and intelligent locks with 35 years of experience. Fuyu was established in 1999. The former name was Zhongshan Fuyu Hardware Products Company Limited, located in Xiaolan town of Zhongshan City, which is well known as manufacturer base of premium lock sales. After many years of development, Fuyu has built up a manufacturer base for all kinds of locks, covering an area of 20,000 square meters. Based on many years of experience of R&D and production of locks, nowadays, Fuyu owns two kinds of security product lines of mechanical and intelligent locks, offering professional OEM and ODM services to customers all over the world. Along with the rapid development of lock-set industry in recent years, Fuyu has invested very heavily in introduction of senior technical personnel, high-precision CNC machines for production, as well as advanced equipment for quality test. Through strict production management and quality control system, Fuyu is able to ensure high precision and excellent security performance of all core components like cylinders and mortise locks. Our product exceeds national industrial standard and meets ANSI standard of the United States. By virtue of outstanding staff and efficient production management, Fuyu has achieved an annual output of 4 million locks. The products are sold well to more than 30 countries and regions worldwide. Fuyu believes quality is the life of a factory all the time and always fights for getting product qualified rate up to 100% by endeavors of all staff day and night. Fuyu has got many authoritative certificates and product patents, including ANSI, BHMA certificate of the United States, ISO 9001, 2015 certificate, High-Tech Enterprise of China, top-grade certificates by the Ministry of Public Security of China, and etc. Based on the principle of establish in China, serve the world, Fuyu has built up a comprehensive management and service system, responding demand of customers quickly, and work out good solutions with inexpensive prices, offering one-stop pre-sale and after-sale service to customize high-end security products for the clients. In the future, Fuyu will always try the best to develop and manufacture unique, popular, premium, and reliable lock sets for the customers all over the world.